The Mimo wireless thermal paper supports regular paper using transfer ribbon. This is a handy little item. The included travel case definitely adds an elegant style to the printer. The carrying case and the handle make it easy to pack up and take with you anywhere. The printer itself comes neatly in this package with several sample sheets to test out. Additional paper sold separately. Up at the top here we have a USB-C to A cord that allows you to plug in. And there's also an adapter for lightning cord. Type C. So you can use this Type C to Type C. No lightning support. Manual right here. The manual has the instructions, which provided once read, it will help you set up the printer appropriately. Downloading the software for your iOS or Android device, you can be ready to go in moments. Also supports Windows. Please reference the manual for that setup and setup instructions. So we have the power button here. Once powered on, the unit itself will give you 3 tones indicating the status of the device. We open up the case, the printer itself, and we see the printer is open, and we have the transfer ribbon. We have all the other components. Closing the printer, we now have the back, and we will be able to see on the side the USB Type-C connector, which is right there, located right here. You can charge the printer and use it for several days. This is designed for those who are dealing with print and reading difficulties and those who are blind or visually impaired. Thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, this is a quick review of a portable printer. It's inkless and I thought I would give it a try. I travel a lot, I'm on the road, I do need documents. Some of the places I stay at don't always have a place where I can get my stuff printed. If I stay at the Marriott or something like that, sometimes they will. But for the most part, it's hit and miss. And so I need consistency. So we picked this little guy up, and it has a quick start guide. I do always kind of read through these just generally. Looks like you load the paper from the front. I'll take a look at the instructions here in a bit. Looks like it comes with some paper for you to practice with. I'll let that straighten itself out. You get a cord. What else is in here? You get 2 cords. Oh, in case you have a USB-C to USB, and then you have a USB-C to, okay, these are nice, a little dongle, and then an actual cord, so I will 100% keep those. I'll probably end up using both at different times. Let's get this open. And here's kind of what you get. Obviously, it's going to have, one of those is for a battery. That's how you get in here. And there's your power. All right, so let's pull this guy out. And I'm guessing we're going to power it with this one. This in. Actually, I have one already over here. Let me bring it over here. I keep a little charging station right here. Let me back out a bit. I love having these. There you go. All right, so we're powering it up now. All right, hope that helps. Get kind of an idea of the size of the unit. Okay, hope that helps.
I got the Feminine ItriAce portable printer, wireless for travel. P831 inkless thermal printer, supports 8.5 by 11.5 US letter, A4 copy paper, wireless Bluetooth printer, compatible with phone and laptop, US and USB connected. Here's the unit. Paper goes in here. Quick release buttons, power switch, LED readout, paper, you get the carrying case, USB connector, USB to USB-C charging cable, and the quick start guide. Very good for traveling. Battery life is great. Makes a good value for your money. Makes a great gift and a wonderful addition to your phone and laptop printing accessories.
So fairly easy to use once you hook up your phone, the app, start printing things right away. What I noticed though is just because it is a thermal printer does not mean it's for printing on thermal paper. This happens to be thermal paper, and I got it specifically for something like this, and yeah, it prints okay. I mean, those lines obviously aren't supposed to be there, so I wouldn't say good for pictures, but for text, not bad. But yeah, you can use regular paper. You don't have to use thermal, because there is a ribbon inside. Let's pop it open here real quick. You see there's a transfer ribbon right there. It thermally transfers the two there. That doesn't mean the paper has to be thermal, so it does require one of these cartridges, which these little ink ribbons don't cost much. I looked them up. 2-pack is like 20 bucks. So not super expensive, but you can hence use regular paper with it. And it has adjustments for sizes too. In fact, let's open that up again real quick. You notice that up here there's a little slider. So we can get some light in there. You go. And that slider, you can move it in and out for different size paper. It is attached to the one on the other side. So even though I'm not touching that one, I'm touching this one. It adjusts, so you can print on different size papers or your regular sheet of paper. Yeah, not bad.
not the greatest quality print, but it's fast. And it's missing.
So this is printing. We're using a regular 8.5 by 11 paper. And as you see, it comes out perfectly. It looks good, it's quick, it's easy, no muss, no fuss.